Hey guys, this is your boy Dino aka DLP here and welcome back to another video to my channel and another video on me reacting to RWBY, guys. Yes, I'm going to be reacting to RWBY today. Today I'll be reacting to Volume 2, Chapter 3 of RWBY. It's called, what's it called? A Minor Hiccup. That's very interesting as a title. I don't know why. But hey ho, this is going to be very interesting. We get to see at the end of the last episode, Cinder with two, I guess, I wouldn't even say bodyguards, I guess members of her that was with her. They come into Beacon now, so shit's gonna go down very soon. I think they're here for the Challenges Festival as well, I take it. So from what it feels like, the Challenges Festival is definitely gonna have some sort of big play to this. Whether their plan is to execute it during the Challenges Festival, I'm not sure, but things are moving a lot faster than I expected, so it's going to be pretty interesting. Volume 2 is about to be pretty damn fire. I can't even speak properly today. It's going to be pretty fire. It's going to be pretty hyped, to say the least. So let's not waste any more time. Let's just get right to it. Sorry for me talking like I've just, came out of like another place with bad pronunciations and accent. Yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and grab something to eat or drink, that's totally fine. You can go ahead and come through. You can pause the video, grab your stuff, and then you can enjoy the video. If not, that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this reaction right now. Stop recording's fine, PC screen's fine, volume, what's the volume up? 54. That's not bad. How long is this episode? It's 12 minutes. Okay, so let's get to it in 3, 2, 1, go. I should have known. I should have known, guys. I should have known. Boom. Alright. Yeah, it should be fine. Is that me or not? I'll find out. Okay. Oh, we were pretty. Are you serious, fam? Come on, like this is what I don't like about the main Rooster Teeth website. They have a really hard time, like. Okay, there you go. Finally, seems like the streaming services are pretty.
So, Weiss, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat.
Oh my god.
And, I've got 2 tickets to that new Bruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to Vale. I hear it's awesome.
Come on, Sean, not her, of all people.
Then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart. I'm,
And then timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Wait a minute. Literally a moment ago, it said 3:56, right? You telling me 4 minutes went by with Jean talking that much? Jesus Christ, fam.
Weiss, did you hear me?
No. Yes.
Oh, yes to the studying.
Okay.
You tried, my man, you tried. Don't worry, bro, you're still my favorite character.
I thought that class would never end.
Alright guys, today's the day. The investigation begins! I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously.
Hey, we've got a plan.
I like the new outfits, I'm not gonna lie. It's a different outfit to what they normally wear, but it looks cool. It looks cool.
That's moderately serious.
Right. Everyone remember their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies.
Okay.
Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem.
Oh.
The White then has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Okay.
Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Son,
Son.
how did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I go chase all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that torturous guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team.
As a team.
Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Wow. Wait, what?
How did you even get up to this?
Yeah.
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in?
Oh shit, is he just literally hanging on that little space? Fam, how?
We're like really high up right now.
Yeah, I'm scared of
Alright,
heights.
I'll go with Weiss. Son, you can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister.
Wow.
But Weiss, who would go with you then? Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Oh.
Nah. But...
Wow. Are you serious, Weiss? Oh
How
god.
the transit tower looks so close. You should see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right? Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the four kingdoms to communicate with one another.
Huh.
It was their gift to the world after the Great War. Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
I love RWBY, man. I love RWBY whenever she starts personating. Is that how you say it? Personating Weiss is just the best. When she takes a shot at Weiss, it always cracks me up. Hey, I don't know why. I'm sorry, Weiss fans. I'm sorry, Manthus. You like Weiss? I know. Damn, I had to get that fly. I had to. Sorry about that. At least I can hit flies. Unlike Saitama. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Don't be a pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much.
Huh.
We could have just as easily made a call from the library. I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture.
Wow. Seriously.
Oh. You dropped this.
Penny!
Penny? Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused.
Huh?
I've got to go. What was that about? I don't know, but I'm going to find out. You go make.
Wait. Okay, wait. Penny. I take it she's not human. She's a android of sorts, right? I think. Either she's acting as if she doesn't know who RWBY is, or her memories has a reset state, I guess, to the point where all of her previous memories of her knowing RWBY is gone. I don't know. I might be just looking too much into it. Well, she, like I said, she's just acting as if she doesn't know who RWBY is, because she did help RWBY a great deal, and she saw her as a genuine friend. So.
Call. I'll meet up with you later. Wait. Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What?
Huh?
Penny, is everything okay? Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big.
Okay, one thing I've noticed is that during season 1, other than the main characters, the people surrounding these main characters were always pitch black, because of the budget and, you know, the tight situation they were in. But now, if you noticed, the people surrounding them are all designed as well with different, you know, the uniforms, different people and whatnot. They're all designed specifically, which goes to show how much of their animations has improved since the first season. So, once again, great job, Rooster Teeth. I thought I wanted to say that. Just in case you guys thought I didn't notice it. I don't want you guys to think that way.
Something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please. As a friend.
Okay, she does remember RWBY. I was gonna say.
It isn't safe to talk here.
Okay, yeah. Ah, that's why. So she can't speak to her out in the open like this because it's not safe. Okay, forget what I just said. I was just being dumb. But forget what I just said. Because I just thought she was an android of sorts. Because she wasn't even human. I know that for sure. At least she didn't look human to me when she started fighting.
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity?
Oh.
Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
What is he trying to do? What the fuck? You okay, girl?
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transit
It's a
Center.
hologram.
How may I help you?
Wow.
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Damn, hologram, eh? Pretty convenient, I guess. Very techie-like. Ah, interesting.
Thank you for calling Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
Huh.
No, thank you. I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask of you for?
Uh-huh.
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your school now.
Wonderful. That will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't might need to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
Can't believe she got away with just saying school project. I mean, wow, that was. I thought that wasn't gonna work when she said school project, but hey, she's from a rich family, and from how that woman spoke, she's pretty well known, has quite big authority if she's able to get that information without any problems, serious problems, that is. So yeah. Alright.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men.
Mm-hmm.
Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far.
Right.
Oh, you have to understand, my father loves me very much.
Okay.
He just worries a lot.
Can someone tell me where the Penny is at? I think they might have already said this in a previous episode when Penny was there. But is Penny... I don't think Penny's fully human, is she? I don't think so. I don't even know. I'm pretty sure that's not the case, but she's definitely not fully human, I think. But, yeah.
Believe me, I know the feeling.
It was the knives came out of her, so...
Why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you.
Oh.
Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really.
That's...
Was your dad that upset? No, it wasn't my father.
Standard security model of running for several years. And they have done a fine job. Wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree?
Okay.
But the Kingdom of Atlas is a
Just a general, right?
innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200.
Whoa. That's a bit threatening, fam. Now, how are these guys clapping? Isn't one of these people scared by what the new robots just did? He was the general who spoke to Hospin, right? At the Welcome to Beacon episode, which is episode number 2. So 2 episodes ago, I believe. 2 episodes?
Smarter,
I think.
sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now, the Elysian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield.
Right.
However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby?
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Elysian Paladin.
Huh? Whoa. Yeah, that's bad news, fam. Ow.
Now, we couldn't have them here for you today, but these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else.
shit.
Penny? Wait, where are you going?
Oh shit. Right. Ooh! Damn. If they're chasing Penny. Hey, nice! Nice, that's smooth. What? Fam! What? She now. Okay. Like, I know speed is her special trait, okay? Ruby's special trait. But running up the wall like no man's business. Yo, it took Naruto months to perfect the technique of using chakra to go up running in that wall. She just did it like no man's business. Like, okay, cool. Yeah, speed, that's a speed right there. Oh my god, you're in the middle of the road, fam. Watch out! Watch out! Oh!
Penny? Are you okay?
I don't think she was meant to do that. I knew she was strong because of the fight in the last episode of Volume 1, but that's a bit crazy. Yeah, get out of here.
Penny, come back!
Oh my god. Yeah, she's definitely not human then. She's definitely not human.
Penny, please. What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you. No. You wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me. You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend? I promise. Ruby, I'm not a real girl.
She's a fucking robot.
Oh.
I was right! She's not even human! Fam, she's not human! She's a robot! Damn. Okay, another thing I wanted to talk about is the art in the background of these end credits. Apparently, a lot of this artwork is actually done by fans, who then sends them over to, I guess, to Rooster Teeth, saying, "Here's some, these are fan arts that I've made," which is extremely amazing. You know, there are fans out there that's able to do art at this caliber. It's amazing, to be precise. Yo, that's crazy. She ain't even human. So I knew, I kind of already knew she was not somewhat human to begin with. I thought there was a portion of human within her, so kind of like who? Android 17 and Android 18. They were once humans, but they have mechanical parts that makes them an android, in a way that they have limitless supply on ki and whatnot. So I thought it was something along the lines of that. But it turns out she's a full-on robot. She's not even human at all. Which is okay. So that's crazy. I mean, it's crazy, but at the same time, I'm not exactly surprised because the way she fought, like I said, with the knives coming out of her body, that's when I knew she wasn't exactly human to begin with. She may be some sort of robot, but didn't know she was full-on robot. Okay, that's very interesting. That was pretty badass from Penny, stopping that car, boom, like that. Right, so that makes sense as to why she was taken away that time. And also, she tried to avoid Ruby because she doesn't want to get Ruby in trouble. As to why the people that were there when the general was talking, I feel like this robot, being Penny, was created by the general for, I don't know for what purpose, I'm not exactly sure, but I do feel like she's very heavily connected to the general himself. At least that's what I feel like is the case. Once again, great episode. A lot more things revealed, even though I'm not exactly surprised by it. But once again, great episode. I really enjoyed it. and I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to it as well. So on that note, I shall end the video right here, guys. Thank you so much for watching my reaction to RWBY Volume 2 Chapter 3 today. So Chapter 2 was Welcome to Beacon. So I'm sorry, losing track of things. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy today's video, be sure to smash the like button, comment, share, do all those things so to see more content on me doing more RWBY reaction side in the future. However, if you guys are new to the channel, considering that subscribe button and join the DRP Guild today, so you won't miss a single video from my channel, guys. Reaction videos like this and RWBY reactions like this and any other reactions I do in the future, you guys will be notified instantly, especially if you hit that bell button as well if you're subscribed to the channel already. If not, subscribe to the channel and you will see more of this for sure. So I can't talk properly, as you could tell today. Yeah, that's it. This is your boy Dino signing out. Have a nice day, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next RWBY reaction, guys. So until then, peace.